Hello guys, in today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to make a 8mm effect like Polaroid effect on your Canva to your video. So let's go to the tutorial. First, open a new project. You can use any size of background, but for example I will try to use this one, and then change the color of the background onto black color like this. And after that, go back and then add the elements. Click the elements, and then you need to add a frames. For example, I will try to use this type of frames, this one. Click it and then adjust the size of the frames like this. Wait for a moment. Like this one. After you adjust the size of it, you need to click the frames and click the corner button, this one, and increase the corner size onto 85, this one. And now you need to add the video that you want to give a 8mm effect or Polaroid effect. For example, I'll try to use Canva video. Okay, let me type horse, then I will click the video, this one, and after that I think I will use this type of video. Now you need to add the video onto the frame like this, and if you want to adjust the video on the frame, just double tap it like that. And after you finish doing it, now it's the effect that you will need to add on your design. Click the elements one more time and then type film overlay, this one. You need to type film overlay and then click the videos, and after that you need to find the exact effect. Where is it? Wait for a moment. Where is it? Oh, this one. Okay, you need to use this effect and then add it to your design or video, and then make the effect onto vertical position like this. Then after you adjust the size of it, make sure that it's covering all of the design that you already done before like this. Then swipe left the toolbar and then click the transparency, and you need to decrease the transparency until 60, this one, and go back. Now we can see the result, and it will be look like this. Okay, that's the way how to do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.